Updates don't come if you never hear. Say make I clear you something if you never know. I been yesterday.
Don't take one sharp side like this. Oh yeah, show them the work, make they see. Show them what come. Show them what they come. Show them the work, make they see how it's fine. So turn around, say I can do this like this. Come this side. Show them. You see them? Alright. Show them this side. Okay, my people, I did one particular sweet site like this. I can't do sites to one of the work where I do market blog workers do. And the beauty of it be say now one of them always the diaspora and I give on this particular work, and that person will give on this work sharply. God bless you. So wherever they watch me from today, it's on the voice of Peru as usual. From Europe, I send my greetings. From America, I send my greetings. Asia, every part of the world where they watch me. From those where they watch me from Nigeria too, God bless you. Today I did this song burgers. But again, one small thing will pay me. The person say, you know, I made the full building show. You know, I mean, you know, internet stuff. Some people like privacy. You know, I made the full building show. But that will not stop us. You just give us permission to only take the work where we say, thank God POP can do for you. And thank God POP now work for this as marvelous design and very sweet design when you do for you. Life and direct. I have to singularly write letter to Asaba. People say, I beg, you could not let thank God come for Asaba. When people did beyond that, they figure out what. Asaba people ready to season before because of the special work what they do for them. So today now, I just say like this. So come enter inside. I just enter inside this land like this. POP sharp. Come on, show them. Let me stand for POP sharp. Just the video and they come like this. Sweet POP design. So all this the POP design that we will see today, different designs with the. How much it is down per square meter, I take how the work, how many weeks it take to finish this particular work. So now what you can do for it. Come one special thing I see for the work and the ability of this market we do. You see this space with the inside, this space with the inside, so now cut in one day. So say no, one day eating will bring that beauty come out. That artistic appeal will bring her come out. They say I don't want to talk too much. I just want to walk around first. You can say this one the follow like this. This one my friend sharp design. So if your mind your ass don't reach POP design, you want to POP, call thank God POP before I call her. Make come speak with you now. May tell us the magic we do for this house. Keep watching. Like this now, this one thank God POP we did like this. In case some of now don't say I don't go to these sound videos for Asaba. They say they want hold on for that side. I'm going to make special happy now. You don't come Benin, come work for it like this. Where we did like this very beautiful site. So now I need to do this work. First they go first greet to now sharply before you tell us what you do for this house. So thank God, greet people.
Good morning, my people. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends the time where they see this is my video. So this is Mr. Thank God. I don't come again to show now some working for you again.
Alright, so the people will be say give you work over the time you quickly thank them first.
I appreciate those people where they give me work for this Edo market group. I really appreciate you now.
God bless you. So tell us what you do for this place. I just see this place. So this design very sweet. Yes. Now you bring the design. I be now the person will get the house and I give you the design. Can I show them the work?
The person will get this house. So I say make I do this design for them.
Sweet like this.
Yes.
Marvelous. And everything will be say yours there. See say all of them yours square. So no one edge come outside plus the other. All of them yours smooth and clean. So how you fit here arrive at this kind of job?
No say na now.
Okay.
So na my work. So once they give me now, I know the measurement I will take so that everything will enter.
Alright. So one thing we say I like about thank God, we say don't be oga where they leave work for voice. Now I get one special thing I tell you later, not be now. You see how I say I see like this now worker for the movie. Everybody get doctor get uniform.
Yes.
Lawyer get uniform. You now get uniform. This one now POP. If you want to know POP people now like this. And their uniform with this, okay? Alright, so we'll come inside. We don't show this particular design we see for your car. Come inside. See this design. Now, the man still give you this one.
Yes.
And this man get taste. This man get taste. See the design. Better quality design for POP. Very luxury. And the beauty of the work I see we do for you now, this particular edge. When you say you carve out for where curtains one day. This one they new to me. But this one is very special. This one is joint part of the agreement we get with the man.
Yes, is it journal?
Is it journal? Yes. So currently, how much you take do this work? Now you carry as contract or now square meter take carry?
No, this one so na contract I take carry.
A contract I take carry.
Yes. So the contract where I carry for here is 10,000 per meter.
Okay, 10,000 per square meter.
Yes.
Okay.
So as I don't start the work, they go now. Before I can't choose this design, you don't really talk for ground before I start the work. I can't choose this design.
Particular design.
This is parallel design.
Yes.
With this
Danny. More check the Danny design too. See this Danny design.
Design.
Okay, it complements the parallel design too.
With this passage, one of the see.
This passage. So see this passage design too. Yes. I'm already agreed the money already.
Yes. Before you can't tell me say you get some design where you go.
Like we introduce.
Yes. I can't say okay no wahala. So since you never talk that one before now, say that one we will come price that one. You say okay no wahala. So this three design where they see so.
Yes, these three designs. So this parlor, the Danny, and this passage.
Yes.
So, okay.
So we can't charge that one. We can't talk that one
separately.
Yes.
Okay. So like this now, people they watch this one for the video. Now they like this particular design. When they see for it, this one they very sharp. Imagine that they don't do the finish. You can't put lights for inside. It would be very beautiful to see. But person say I want to do something like this. How much you go do for them?
So this design where they see so.
Yes.
If you want to do it for me like this,
yes.
You're going to give me 12,000 per meter.
12,000 per square meter.
This one now for 12,000 per meter.
Because the work no, it's not easy. It's complex. So when the man tell you say girl that design we want give you don't fear.
I don't fear.
If you can't give me design, I don't feel do.
No, I don't fear. I just tell us to make her.
They send that come. Yeah. Alright, so people they watch now, they tell them say in case they get any design they want to do, maybe they send the sample.
Send me design.
You know you work. If you don't know you work, you not go tell you say maybe you send sample. You say bring it on, I take on the challenge. Bring any design, whether a 3D sample you want to give one. I say in go fit deliver like a Hebrew women. So this one I say if you want to do one for this design, because the design is very technical and the way material take cash on. Because now you go buy material by yourself. Material too cost. When material will take cash on well. Don't be say you can't go do one and it not come make sense. See now 12,000 naira per square meter. Now you want to do this, this particular design for you. But not be saying that 12,000 do. You say you get 10,000 naira.
10,000, yes.
Get 10,000 to go because the way this one take day, 12,000 per square meter. So can come. So can go take us around. More follow everywhere around. So this one too. This one at home.
Yes.
So can just show like the work. Show them the work. How much they do this one now?
This one at 10,000.
10,000 per square meter. This one at 10,000 naira per square meter. I don't forget say now in go buy material to do this particular work. The way they take draw and come out, they see arrive like this. So sharp of this one give you now. In case you want to give any POP man work, give expert work, give professional work so that you go fit deliver. But when people come your house, they go fit ask you say who did this POP? Person we do they very okay. And come inside. Henceforth, make una dey bring design pattern come na house. So see what thank God do for you now. He carve out the design and the shape of the curtains come outside. Not say people you do POP, you cover everywhere. Yes. They will come dey lay this normal curtain. You come dey see the iron wey the curtain dey hang on. But like this one, I can show them make dem understand what I talk. Like this one now, e dey easy. You no go even see am. Na only the curtain wey come down now you go dey see. So things don different these days. Innovation dey. So that's why we dey always tell una say stick with Edo market block worker. They no dey relent. As new updates dey come out, just like the way tailor. You know say no be tailor wey be say we get 2001. No be we get now. Upgrade they go dey do. They say upgrade. They go do upgrade. Now so Edo market block workers they be like 3D workers. You get once anything come up where they don't know, they try to go learn and they upgrade on their skills so that will serve una better. So how many bedrooms this house?
This one so now 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms?
Yes.
For the front, what about the back?
Now 2.
2 the back. So how long it take you to achieve all this work? All this work? You can almost see go around. How long it take you to achieve all this work?
This work we are doing. I never do complete.
They show that the work camera, man.
Please.
Not going to 3 weeks to achieve everything. Okay, see another one here.
Yes.
This one see fine design. And all of them just put their cutting this thing. All of them they eating.
Yes.
So this one are very good sweet innovation currently. What do they say? Make una key to am. Come show them this toilet today. Very simple design, like them. Very simple, flashy and simple design. Everywhere for the house now POP like they and now thank God POP. Now I do this work. So this period of time we ready to travel. You know say I know say you just come from Asaba, they seize you for Delta all this like for more than 2 months. So if not going to 3 months,
3 months.
3 months they seize them for Asaba. Okay, more come outside. That this place that small. 3 months, the season for Asaba, they say, no, you go nowhere. If thank God work finish for A go carry and go give B. If you work finish for B go say, no, I get my brother C, where one work does give man. The season for sound 3 months. Not really one work you go do for them. From one work, from different work.
Different work.
So if you don't know your work, you know if you get that privilege to do 3 months. Now expect for Asaba. Before I go there, give them say Asaba people wala I beg. Make una at least thank God. It makes feel So now, so they show them this one. This one they very fine. I like this design. So square meter for this one, how much?
Is it 10,000?
10,000 naira.
Yes.
So you get one update. So I want to ask you for the purpose. I want to make sure say they see them very well. Because they need a design. When they still call them, and not forget to still show them to say the cutting space. You see carve art for inside the POP. This one a new innovation. Not let they just do POP round for hand. Who want to do your interior? Or call they knock the anger for another wall where they say this one a new innovation. And courtesy of Thank God POP. Call on currently for all your POP design for the whole of Obodo, Nigeria. If you want to go for abroad, you give am visa.
Yes.
He go come. I be not trying to go abroad to buy the visa. Alright. But I come this side because of the light reflection, so that people will see well. So currently, if you work the other places, other states, they call you make come work. You go see travel this period.
I will travel with it.
Either the west to Abuja or Lagos or Port Harcourt or Bayelsa or anywhere. You travel with it.
Yeah.
So my people, don't let distance be the barrier for you to get good workers for your ass. Don't forget, we will not go do a penny wise, pounds foolish. Say, you see, get one of my brother, sister, picking auntie, who a born for so and so place, saying they do POP. Come go do POP for your ass, it's not come sharp, not come messy, not good. Always use professional workers. And when we talk about professional workers, stick to Edo market block. We got you covered 100%. So what I want to ask you now, some people they complain say, or some people get one video where I watch for online. I can't say POP they poo. You understand? Say they do the POP finish, the thing can't they poo, they can't fall. Why would they cause that kind of thing?
They happen when they say if you think they leak, so because this POP where they see, so they like water.
Not like water.
No, they like water. Okay. So if you don't do it, you say water can they drop on top of the POP go fall.
It go fall. Okay. So apart from that one, maybe the wood or bad material, not the cause
yes,
fall.
Bad material they cause them. Bad material with wood self. You get some wood we say if they're not strong before you do the POP.
You think go fall. And if they don't see miss material, or maybe they call it manage material.
Yes, if you manage the material, say the POP they fall. Then if you buy material, we say no buy good material. We say it the do.
Yes.
For the missing, we say once you do the goma.
Yes.
But the way the cement go there before you go use and the gash now, the thing called the set, you call use and they do other thing now. The POP will come for later.
Come for. Alright. So you say I'm saying an expert for your work and a professional. You know what they do. If he explain details. Okay, this one not be script where they write. Don't mark them write scripts. Now once we reach sites, we check our workers' work and we ask them possible questions, challenges where they see where people they face. So ask them so that they go know how they will take explain to people attending viewers so that they'll fit say enlighten. Don't forget say one of the purposes of the Don't Market Blog and to enlighten the public on quality service for skilled workers and artisans. In case you need their services, this one at Thank God POP live and direct in the ancient city of Benin, but it's very mobile. It can travel to all nook and crannies of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And don't forget the service is cheap and affordable. And don't forget too, it is negotiable. I be your market now. If you all say 12,000, now so be if you see negotiate now. Maybe because some people now they watch you. Now there's estate developer, estate agent, all these people they manage estates and then they build. Don't say they build estate until they plenty well. People get story building, different mini estate. They want play your services and the square meter come many. If you see reduce,
if you spend that many, I will reduce some money for them.
So maybe not your the price. Yeah, it say those no. Call him, they say na good work, na seek money see they follow. And don't forget say better soup na money na killer. So show us other rooms and other designs with the. So this one too na see the same 10,000 naira per square meter.
Yes, alright.
This one master toilet. This one big too, and I see simple design I first show now for that side. Now still dey here so like this. He said this work like this. He said no reach 3 weeks. for you to deliver everything because boys, the professional boys, they all of them they are brother for sites. And you see where I did, so you can't say you know they say boys full anyway. I never see boys for here. I thought I said I'll give you one of days later. As thank God they do this work, as they do this work with this organic, the very opposite as way opposite this particular video I did so. And I was say, now person do this work, this person need to do my own too. Like they transfer time. As I'm gonna finish here, it transfer and go put it for your house with the opposite. From here now, and there they go. Or down will show now the front of the house. But this one, they say will not show the front of the house. Free enter inside to check the POP work. If he not sabi work, you feel say they go call am with condo, and I pursue they go pursue am come up for this area. They won't tell boys say make the whole land say does well. But because he's diligent in his work and he's very very professional in his work, now what he make am see get this particular work outside work we do for you. See this design so in case you did down, you like am too. It did like this, all of them they come and one. See what I say so now. So this one the cutting space, new innovation, new techniques. They are available. So if not be THANKGOD POP, not be THANKGOD POP, now let you one. So if you give our work finish, it does one for you. According to it, you can't thank God. Say, thank God, say I give thank God my work because he do one very well, very, very well. You get. So I don't ask you, get one last question I want to ask you now. Some people they want to do POP design. They don't get idea of design what they want to use. You understand? Like this one, I say, I give you some design. Yes. Some people they don't even get idea of design what they want to use at all. They just say, I mean, if you find design for me, or just do design what you get for me, but make it make sense. You see, they do that time.
I see they do.
If you give people design,
they give you design. When you say yourself, you see, once you see, you go like them. But so, before I go do, I will show you.
You first show them, say they will choose.
Yes.
So in case you not get design what you want to do for your house, that one not be problem. Call THANKGOD POP and he is there to give you all the necessary assistance, professional advice what you need. Now so we talk about. So maybe we just walk around tomorrow, make I see other things where they get for here like this before we call out the day and they go to other sides where they opposite this place. I don't check it just now. Yes. You met this place? Okay.
Yes, this
place I never check. This is the kitchen. Very big. This place for house, this one our aunties there, our mommy there. Show the cameraman on our kitchen. If you make mistake for anywhere for us, don't go make mistake for kitchen, no, go madam professor for you. Now this one with their own parlor for the alcohol. If this one makes sense, the food will come out from here too will make sense and go sweet for your belly. So now the kitchen design is very beautiful, fine too, and all the design with the all of them classic. THANKGOD POP, I work for it. So THANKGOD carry us work. I won't go the opposite compound. When they see from here, we just the opposite. Now, as it deliver it, now they give on this side. So this one now, do the parlor and the dining. For this particular house, we do this one. For one will be the others. So cameraman, just keep watching before we reach there. Okay, I told them before as it deliver that side finish, now they give on this particular side. Yo, I'm not going to break my head or my. So I'm not very careful. Maybe if you pass it like you see where they do POP and so they do down, make the facing and well. So this one are the veranda of the house. Now the design when they pick this, we can go POP before here. Another fine design and neat work too. So for your POP, I don't tell you before to make color. You see work. All of the day very neat, all the edges they very smooth. Fine. So I'm gonna check what you do for the parlor too. Aha! Well, let's go. Easy, you know, go break for it. Alright, this one is the parlor. So you say here like this. Now design very fine. I say design so get for here. Wait, they see for you. So just video and come like this, make the sound. All they see the thing very clear. So how you tell this one to THANKGOD? So tell us what you do for this one. Why you still arrive at this way design? And you should bring up in and the person tell you make do that one like that.
As I plan for the first site now.
Yes.
Now the man contact say make I come plan for you.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So how you say this one? It's saying 12,000 per square meter. Sound like you see this kind very sweet. You see this? Is it like real? You can see this here and when you go see it now small and I see myself from this side. Smooth and neat. 12,000 per square meter before the technicality of this one, but 10,000 per square meter on yesterday. You see, say
is that what will give me?
So anyone they will be say it did cheaper than 10,000 per square meter. Any design they will be cheaper than 10,000.
No.
Now 10,000 I be the least when we get.
Yes.
Okay, say 10,000. This design here. You can't see this side too. This one is sweet. Wait, how you want it is smooth like this?
And the dressing where they do for them.
The dressing,
yeah.
The finishing touch.
Yes.
So in a nutshell, like when they speak English, now the magic touch when they give them, that make you work special. You see, as a young girl, special. The thing is smooth, clean. And they say no place where we say sabi work. The finishing, you will get one special thing when you want it different from other people. You see, as a one good tone, they have another. They tell people say take diligence in your work. That's what people talk and say if you take diligence for your work, now people will find you and you will get more food for your table, even to eat. Because of the diligence we get for the others. If you see that as well for the commerce, and very big bungalow, sweet, but for security reasons and for privacy purpose, the owner said he don't want to show the full compound, but more show the work with thank God do. Because if to even grant that access, now because the man they pleased with the work we do for him, he was happy. So before I come for your thank God, we greet your people, thank them. Tell them say you don't active 24 hours anywhere for Nigeria, you are available to deliver.
Oh my people, I really appreciate you now. My people when they give me work. So all the time when I'm coming for work, I didn't
pull your course, bring your orders.
When the price no come be the issue. When I call me,
call now, let the price basically go negotiate. And mind you, maybe say if you on your site, your ass and go next. That time go work next. And trust me, once you get the work, we must definitely come up and see what we do. Maybe the next time you will see me on your site. Now go come. And if now your site, don't forget to let me know for comment section. And you will now give this that work, have you?
Yes.
Don't go for this one.
Yes.
Oga, God bless you very much. God bless you. Thank you very much for giving THANKGOD POP your work to deliver. And I should say deliver like you book women for your ass. And also thank you for allowing us your space. Once it show people say see work with thank God too. God bless you. And all of you now we go thank God. We use the do market blog workers. God bless you. This year, all your projects now, now small thing, you go finish them. Keep watching. Subscribe to the channel if you never subscribe on Facebook too. Go follow us at 2 States Market Blog.
Updates don't come if you never hear. Say make I clear you something if you never know. I been yes say, una never know. I been yes say the mama and papa them never hear. Na Edo Market Blog, the waiting you they find, they a bit on for my chest. And na true what they talk. Oh yeah, lele mama, Edo Market Blog it don't come. See your bit, brother. No do yourself. Now you do Market Blog. The waiting you they find from comfort of your house. If you order with your phone, order a motor you they find. Which type you want? Now building materials, Sabina, food items, handwork and skills. Unskilled don't come with it. Do Market Blog. Nothing we know they do.